LinkedIn now has another game. Let's learn it. Well, here it is. It's mini Sudoku, and the truth is we all know normal Sudoku, but this is the mini one. Remember, most of these games have to take like a couple of minutes because most people just play them on, say, a subway or a bus. So here's what it is. Instead of the 9 split, in each with 9 squares, this is a 6 split, each with 6 squares. You need to have it so that in each column and each row, it is numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, where the same number doesn't appear twice. Plus, in each of the 6 boxes, you have to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to give you actually a really interesting quick tip so you can learn it really fast. So here it is, 1, 2, 3. What's missing? Obviously a 4. Here's my quick tip though. Because this is 1, 2, 3 is on the bottom, and we know immediately that 1, 2, 3 must be here on the top. So we know up here immediately this must be 4, 5, and 6. So a 6 can't be here, a 5 can't be here. That must be a 4. It's a flaw of the game in my opinion, but still it makes it fun nonetheless. Let's just keep going really fast. A 6 is here, or can't be in this column. A 6 can't be in that column, so we need to know a 6 is there. It means that a 5 must go there, and a 4 must go there. A 5 is here, so it can't be in this row, and there's 5s here and here, so a 5 must go there, and therefore, a 4 is in the same boat. It can't be in this top row. It can't be here. It can't be here. Therefore, a 4 must go there. You can turn on the notes where it allows you to sort of put the hints in the margin. For example, we know that this has to be a 1, 2, 3, so we could type in a 1. Well, a 2 can't go there because of there. So put in a 1 and a 3. We know a 2 and a 3 has to go there, and a 1 and a 2 has to go there. The one thing it doesn't do that I wish it did is that I wish when you fill in an actual number, it would remove the pencil mark. Unfortunately, it doesn't do that, which is unfortunate, and I feel like it's one thing that they probably should update. So a 2 can't go here, a 2 can't go here, therefore that must be, you have to, oops, turn off the pen, a 2 must go there, and therefore a 2 must go there, and therefore a 1 must go there. And therefore a 1 must go there. And we can just quickly run through the rest of the puzzle, I suppose. And there you go. A fun puzzle. Much simpler than the normal Sudoku, but it's a perfect addition to the LinkedIn puzzles. Hope you enjoyed this, and if you're interested in how to play all the other LinkedIn puzzles, I've got a video on each on this channel. Go ahead and check it out. And by the way, if you want to learn to play bridge, you know I started another channel called Puzzling Bridge where I just teach the card game bridge. So if you're interested, check that out. I'll put the link in the description as well. And if you've got a suggestion for a game you'd really like to learn that you think I should be teaching, drop me a line in those comments and I will take a look at it. People have invented puzzles and dropped comments in and had me take a look at it before, and I've even done videos on them. They're on this channel.